بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله أما بعد. This is your walkthrough for resource number 38 that goes along with lesson number 38. The resource is found on page number 146 of your Ajurumiyya workbook. Of course, you've studied the 38th lesson and you've attempted this quiz on your own and you've checked your answers. And so let's review this brief quiz together at this time. Resource 38 أسئلة مراجعة من الدرس الثامن والثلاثين. Review questions for lesson number 38. السؤال الأول. The first question. قال الإمام ابن أجرم رحمه الله. The Imam Ibn Ajurrum, may Allah have mercy on him, said, الفاعل هو. The fa'il is this. What's the definition of the fa'il offered by the author? A. الاسم المذكور قبله فعله. B. الذي يفعل الفعل. C. ما دل على معنى في نفسه دون أن يرتبط بأحد الأزمنة الثلاثة. Or D. الاسم المرفوع المذكور قبله فعله. So the wording of متن المقدمة الآجرمية is actually الفاعل هو الاسم المرفوع المذكور قبله فعله. And so that is answer choice D. A is almost there, it's just missing a word. And while B might have an angle of being correct, it is not the definition provided by the author. And C, as you know, is the definition of an ism, not specifically the fa'il. السؤال الثاني, the second question. مثال الفاعل الظاهري. Give an example of a fa'il that's not a pronoun. Something obvious and stated clearly, not hidden in a pronoun or understood from the context. A. ضرب زيد عمرا. B. زيد ضرب عمرا. C. ضربه بقوة. Or D. الرجل جاء بعد الدرس. So, to analyze these answers, we are looking for an ism that's marfu', and it's dhahir, it's not a pronoun. So, answer choice A. B and D all provide nouns which are marfu', since C does not even have an ism dhahir, marfu' or otherwise, then it can't be our answer choice. So we're left with A, B, or D. So now, ضرب زيد عمرا, that looks good. We have a fi'l, a fa'il, and a maf'ulun bihi. So that Zayd in the middle, Zaydun, could be a correct answer, but let's examine the others. Zaydun ضرب عمرا. Now, our sentence here starts with Zayd, and Zayd is a noun. So that means this is a jumla ismiya, not a jumla fi'liya. In order for us to have a fa'il, we have to be talking about a jumla fi'liya, a verb-based sentence, not a jumla ismiya, not a nominal sentence or a noun-based sentence. So B is disqualified because it's a noun-based sentence. And likewise, D, الرجل, that's a noun. This is a jumla ismiya. الرجل جاء بعد الدرس. So then the only possible answer would be A. ضرب زيد عمرا. زيد is فاعل علامة رفعه الضمة الظاهرة. السؤال الثالث. The third question. مثال الفاعل المضمر. An example of a pronoun as a fa'il is which of the following? A. ضربت زيدا. B. ضرب زيد عمرا. C. زيد جميل الأخلاق. Or D. أين زيد? So D, there's no fa'il to even have a fa'il. Let's get rid of that one. As well as C. زيد جميل الأخلاق. This is a jumla ismiya. We can't even have a fa'il there. So we're left with answer choices A or B. And remember, we're looking for a ضمير as a fa'il. الفاعل المضمر. So ضرب زيد عمرا, answer choice B, is a fa'il ظاهر. We're left with answer choice A, ضربت زيدا. Where's the fa'il? It's the tu, pronoun added on to the end of the past tense verb ضرب. It became ضربت. السؤال الرابع, the fourth question. استخرج من الآية فاعلا. Find a فاعل in the verse. ما أغنى عنه ماله وما كسب سيصلى نارا ذات لهب. We're looking for a فاعل in this verse. Of course, the فاعل is an اسم مرفوع. And if you thought about that, you only have one possible فاعل in the verse. A. أغنى. B. ماله. C. نارا. Or D. لهب. So if you look at أغنى, أغنى is a past tense verb, so it's not going to be a فاعل. If you look at نارا, answer choice C, you know that's منسوب. So there's no such thing as a فاعل منسوب. And if you look at لهب, you know that has two كسرة on it, so it's مجرور or مخفوض. And there's no such thing as a فاعل مخفوض. So the correct answer must be ماله. ما أغنى عنه ماذا؟ ماله. So ماله is the فاعل from the verb أغنى. And so the correct answer is B. ماله. السؤال الخامس, the fifth question. استخرج من الآية فاعلا وأعربه. Find a فاعل in the verse and make إعراب of it. جزاؤهم عند ربهم جنات عدن تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا. So to have a فاعل, we have to have a فعل. So we have the فعل تجري. تجري, what flows or what runs? من تحتها, from under it. What's the جارية? What's the thing that is flowing and running? It is الأنهار. الأنهار فاعل علامة رفعه الضمة الظاهرة. السؤال السادس والأخير, the sixth and final question. استخرج من الآية فاعلا وأعربه. Find a فاعل in the verse and make إعراب of it. ليلة القدر خير من ألف شهر. So analyzing the verse and its structure, we see a jumla ismiya. Laylatul Qadr is introduced. It's a noun. And information is given about it. We have a mubtada and a khabar here. We have a jumla ismiya, a nominal sentence. There's no such thing as a fa'il in there. So, we have to write, La yujadu. There is no such answer possible. I hope this walkthrough helped you. I hope you did well. May Allah Ta'ala bless you and give you success. And by the way, how did you do with the all-Arabic class for the first time? I hope you feel a sense of empowerment. Look at you. You studied an Ajur Rumiya class all in Arabic from start to finish, and then you went on to take a quiz all in Arabic by yourself? Did you imagine at the beginning of the course you would be doing this kind of thing? Maybe you struggled a little bit here, but may Allah Ta'ala bless you. May Allah Ta'ala give you success. Let's prepare for lesson number 39 now. وصل اللهم وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين والسلام عليكم.